Welcome to Cloud Studio videos, short DevOps, Cloud and AWS tutorials. Hello to all. In this video I'll show you how you should secure your AWS account after you finish creating your account and you have a root user. The best practice from AWS is not to use the root user for your daily work. You should create another user and use that user instead of root. And this is the process how you should do that. So let's start. So first we open identity and access management service, and here in this service we are going to users. So after you create a brand new account, you will have only root user, you will not have admin. But I already created this user and configure it, so I will now create another user so that you can see how you should do it. So we click on we go to users, we click on the create user, and now we are creating second admin user. So I will put the name admin2. So he will have the AWS management console access. Also, I will give custom password because I will use this user. And I don't want to change the password after first login. And I'm clicking next. And here I need to give the permission for the new user. So I will give the permissions using the group. So previously I created admin group, and this group has the administrator access uh, permissions. So I will just add user inside of this group. So by clicking on this, the marking of this checkbox, and click on the next, and then create user. And now I go back to the users, and I see my second user admin2, and I will click on it. And here I want to show you permissions. So the user has administrator access, and this administrator access policy is attached via group admin user. So the user is created, and yeah, so now we should log in with the new user. So I will sign out with my admin user, and I will now log in with my new user, admin2. So first field, you should put your account ID or the alias. I have my alias. I will put the username admin2, and I will put the password. All right, so now I'm logged in first time as a new user, admin2, and yeah, so I will now open again identity access management, and as you can see now, I have one security recommendation which is really important, that we should always secure our users via MFA, which is multi-factor authentication, and I will just do that for this new admin user. So I will click on the MFA, and I will show you complete process. Then after video I will delete this user because I don't need it. So here is the we need to select MFA device. So first we need to give the device name. So this will be admin2 admin to Cloud Studio videos, and I will use Authenticator app for my configuration because I'm using the Microsoft Authenticator application on my phone, and I will click on next. In the meantime, I will start my application on my phone. I need to scan the QR code. So I will reveal the QR code and then I will scan it. All right, and now I need to add the two consecutive MFA codes which my app is giving me. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Add MFA. All right, so we configured the multi-factor authentication for our new admin user, and this is the way how we secure the access in our AWS account. So first we we so first we need to enable the MFA for our root account, root user, and then after that we create another user, admin, and we give him a administrator access policy, and we log in as a admin user, and then we enable MFA for the admin user. These are the proper steps how we secure our AWS account. Advice from AWS is not to use root account. So root account should be secured, and we should always use admin account instead of root account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DevOps tutorials. See you in the next video.